Now, hello students. Okay. In grammar, the subject is grammar and topic is notice writing. What is notice writing? It is very important topic in grammar. This question is asked for 3 marks, 4 marks or 5 marks related to the standard and the subject. Okay, which type of the subject or which subject notice is asked depends on the standard. Minimum it is 3 marks and maximum 5 marks. Okay, we have to remember some points while writing the notice. These points are, I am explaining which are the main points of this notice. Okay, first of all, what is notice? I am explaining what is notice. A notice is an announcement which is circulated in a written form. Okay, to a given important information to the large group of the people. Example: a notice is given in school, notice is given in any company, notice is given in any factory, notice is given in society or apartment, notice is given from any higher authority to the lower authority, notice is given by the principal to the student of the school, notice is given by the principal to all teachers regarding exam, fees, meeting or etc. whatever it is. Okay, this is a topic where in short form the full message is given. Okay, in notice we have to mention the date clearly, time clearly, okay, and its total the main point we have to write in which is clearly message is given to the student or to the reader or the listener. Is that clear? Clear. The purpose of writing notice. What are the purpose of writing the notice? Okay, the notice is written to give information about what type of the notice we are writing. We are writing as a to the sports event or a sports event. Example: a sports day is held in any school, that we are writing. Any annual function, about any annual function, picnic or tour or science exhibition or event or meeting, PTM, then parent teachers meeting. Okay, cultural event, a meeting or a conference, any death, birth, visit by someone in the future, inspection, exertion, etc. Any project for the social cause to be undertaken and so on. These are the topics where you can write the notice. Okay, there are some rules and regulation about writing this notice. These rules are: a notice is written within a box. Example: whenever you are writing any notice, you have to put a box with pencil like this. A box is mentioned with pencil. A box is drawn. Okay, notice is written in a box. It is usually written in the third person. That means it is written in the third person, indirectly. Okay. However, for some notice, the first person, we, or the second person, you may also use. Depends on the type of the notice which written, which type of the notice you are writing. It must be short. It should be very short. Not the whole page you have to write. You have to write whole page you have written and there is no message in it. This type of the notice you don't have to write. Notice should become in one page only or half a page only. Okay, and it should be clear message. Okay, it should be written short and relevant with the topic. Topic should be there. Heading, that is known as heading. Heading should be there. It is usually has word limited about 50 words. The notice should be completed within the 50. You don't have to count whether, but it should be within the 50 or 50 words. The name and the address of the issued authority is placed at the top of the followed by the word notice. Yeah. Okay. Notice. Okay. This type of I am writing how the notice format of the notice. This is the format of notice. Okay. Here, see, this is the block when you have to draw at the after writing a notice, completing with the pencil. Here, name of institution. Name of example, name of school. Our school name is Sunrise Public School. Okay. Any society name, suppose Radha Krishna Society. Any company, Tata Consultancy, any bank is writing any notice, Dow Urban Bank or State Bank of India, whatever it is. This is the topic. Name of institution, not topic, name of institution. Okay, this authority is issuing a notice. This any authority person, either manager or principal or any secretary, whatever is issuing the notice. Second, Okay, there should be date. You have to write on the left hand side or right hand side. You can write any date. You are writing generally. You are writing date. Okay. Before that, here it is notice is written in capital. Notice is written and it is underlined. Your notice is written in capital, it is underlined, and then after that you have to write date. You don't have to write date like this. Generally, date means is written in cardinal or ordinal method. Suppose what is today's date? Today's date is 24. We don't have to write like 24, 8, 2020. This is the wrong format of writing date in letter, notice, or report, whatever it is. Then what we have to write? We have to write like this: 24 August 2020. Like this you have to write. Okay, the date. Yes. Date is written. What is it? Date. Okay. Then comes the heading. What is it? Heading is there. Heading of a notice. Suppose parent teacher meeting. So parent teacher meeting or annual board day, whatever we are writing. And then main content of a notice. Here 2 or 3 lines main form of a main message of a meeting. Okay, your date, time, venue is clearly mentioned in this. And after writing here on the left hand side, here you have to write what is it? Name of the authority who is issuing the notice. Name of person who is issuing authority. Who is issuing notice? Okay, name is written. Suppose any principal is writing a notice. Suppose any principal or any person is writing, a secretary is issuing the notice. Ramakrishna, so Ramakrishna you have to write here. And there is a small sign before that. And who is that? Designation is written. Who is that authority person? That designation. Simple. It is very easy. This is the format of note. Okay. Now I am writing one notice and explaining to one notice. Okay. And the format is also very clear. How to write? Let me explain. Okay. And write. Question. What is the question you are seeing? Write a notice on behalf of principal of your school regarding parent teachers meeting, that means PTM. PTM means parent teachers meeting. Okay? Here, this is the question. I'll explain the rule of this format. First of all, okay, you have to write. This is the heading of the institution. Sunrise Public School, the Hood. Okay, here we are issuing notice. So we have to write notice and it should be underlined. Okay, after that we have to put date. Here date. What is today's date? 24 August 2020. This is it. Then heading should be there. What is it? Parent teachers meeting. This is the heading you have written. Heading either can be written in capital also, or if you do, so if you are not writing in heading, it is okay. Now, your format. What format depends upon you. How you are writing. Okay, yes, I am writing. B, C,